In this video, let me show you how to change country on PayPal account. First, open the PayPal app or website on your device. If you don't have the app, just download it on your Play Store or App Store. After that, log into your account using your credentials and then go to the settings section where you will find a country option and click on it. Now, select the new country you want to switch to and save the changes. Next, restart your app to see changes. You might restart your phone if it doesn't apply, and that's how easy you can change your country on your PayPal account. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.